Senate Republicans say they could have an outline of their health care proposal as early as Wednesday, aiming for a vote by the July 4th recess. But Republicans have been working behind closed doors, exactly what they accused Democrats of doing when they crafted Obamacare. Now Democrats are ready to declare war.
You're fighting back. We're fighting back.
Overnight, Democrats staging a dramatic talkathon on the Senate floor, threatening to delay all business unless Republicans open up their health care talks to the public. Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer accusing Republicans of concealing a bill that hurts the middle class.
The Republicans are writing their health care bill under the cover of darkness because they're ashamed of it.
The Republican Majority Leader firing back.
Obamacare is collapsing around us, and the American people are desperately searching for relief.
Democrats taking turns, tearing into the GOP.
So I say to the Republican leadership, what are you afraid of? Bring that bill out.
There's no markup. There are no committee hearings. It's just 13 dudes.
If this bill were as wonderful as its proponents would like us to believe, it would be out in the open.
Republicans under fire after promising to repeal and replace Obamacare for 8 years. The biggest sticking point, Medicaid. Conservatives want to spend less, while moderates want more coverage for low-income families. Adding pressure, the president privately telling Senate Republicans the bill passed by the House is mean because of its limited coverage, after he praised the legislation in the Rose Garden.
And this is a real plan. This is a great plan.
Still, the White House trying to keep the focus on health care and the rest of the president's agenda, with the Russia probe looming large.
Meanwhile, there could be some changes coming here at the White House. An official says Press Secretary and Communications Director Sean Spicer could leave the podium and take on a more strategic role. There's no firm timeline or even a final decision. At his briefing yesterday, Spicer made some headlines on another matter, though, saying the president could release details by the end of this week about whether there are tapes of his private conversations with former FBI Director James Comey. Matt, Savannah.
A lot of interest in that one. Kristen Welker at the White House. Kristen, thanks very much.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.